Yeah, I like it. It feels good. Yeah, this is the way we live life. Yeah. So it's like Monday, yep, 10 a.m. And I'm realizing I'm about to do this all again. So I get out of bed, grab my books and a pen, headed to astrology, leaving Earth on the rag. 49-cent Jimmy John bread, allowing me to save my money just to party instead. Yeah, Bacardi and bread, Rhino already dead. On Wednesday night we do it right, wake up and do it again. I make my ass go to class, strolling on the grass, backpack strapped, always passing back facts on the napkins. Tilted down, flat brim, getting every answer right up on the section of the matchin'. After class, pop the Mac, find a chill spot to pack Vesuvius. So I'm fluent on the track, then I hit the sack. Hearing jazz like the Rat Pack, dreams of hi-hats and rat-a-tat-tat. And like that, yeah, I like that. Add scratching and action, some music I can snap at. Saying peace to the.
Alright, first real A-roll today. Yeah, by the way, day 19, if that was a little bit hard to read at first, I thought it might be better viewable, but apparently not. Yeah, today was also a little bit more calm day, as I believe tomorrow will be, because tomorrow is our last day in Fernie. And yeah, I took a swim in the river. Yeah, it's still cold. But yeah, workout is good to get warmed up all again. I don't know. There isn't much happening now. It's more of rest days after the bike trip, so I tried to shoot a little bit more B-roll and make some nice montages. Tomorrow's the last day here in Fernie, as I said before, and Saturday will be us taking the U-Haul back to Calgary up. And, a little bit of 2018 flashbacks, I know. And yeah, I think that's about it for today. I hope you liked the little bit more B-roll based footage. And yeah, grafting is $150 a person, which is a lot. So, and we kind of missed the deadline because you have to register yourself 24 hours before, and we don't have that kind of time anymore. So yeah, we kind of missed that, and $150 a person is a lot, so we're not gonna do that. Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow on day 20.